How to create blurred edge effect in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop an adjustment clip above your video in timeline and adjust its duration to match your video. Now click on Open FX and search for Blanking Fill. Drag and drop Blanking Fill effect to the adjustment clip. Now we can see some blurred edges in the viewer. With the adjustment clip selected, open up Inspector panel and click on Effects tab. Here, expand the source and you can zoom into the video and increase edges from each side. Under Fill Extent, change zoom mode based on your needs. I set it to stretch to timeline. You also have the option to blend the edges and the amount of blur. If you want to increase the amount of this effect, hold down the Alt key and drag the adjustment clip to the track above to create duplicates from it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.